Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we are going to do this little cute cookies together, so let's start. So first we need to do a magic ring just like this, and then for our first round we need to do 8 single crochet. We put our hook in this hole, yarn over and yarn over once again to do 1 chain here. Then we put our hook into this hole, yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. This is our first single crochet. We need to do 7 more for this round. You can put a mark in the very first single crochet place, so we can know where to do the slip stitch later for this round. So after finish the 8 single crochet, we just pull this end to close the circle in here. And then we take out our mark. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in the mark place, and then yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. So this is our first round, and for second round, we need to do 1 chain first, and that the pattern is our single crochet increase, which means in each stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. We put our hook in the mark place, and also we can put this little end on top of a hook to carry it. And then in here we yarn over, and yarn over, go through the 2 loops. So we can put a mark. This is our first single crochet. In the same stitch, we need to do 1 more single crochet. And then for the next stitch, it's also 2 single crochet in the same stitch. We just repeat it till the end. After I finish my last single crochet, we need to do a slip stitch in the mark place. So take our mark out and put our hook in the mark place, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. Then we need to do 1 chain first, and for next round the pattern is 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. We put our hook in the mark place, yarn over, and yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark in. And then for second stitch is a single crochet increase, which means in this stitch we need to crochet 2 single crochet. And then we just repeat 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet increase. So after finishing the last single crochet, we do a slip stitch to finish this round. And we take out our mark in the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. Then for the next round, we do 1 chain first, and in the mark place, we do a single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. Remember to put a mark. And then in here, for the second stitch, we do a single crochet increase. Put our hook in, yarn over, and go through 2 loops. In this stitch, we need to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And then for the following 2 stitches, we do 2 single crochet. In each stitch, we do 1 single crochet. And then next stitch we do a single crochet increase, which means in this stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. And then we just repeat 2 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet increase, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase. For our very last stitch should be 1 single crochet. After finish the very last single crochet, we take our mark out, and then in the mark place we do a slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. Then for our very last round, we need to do one chain first, and then in the mark place we do a single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. In here we can always put a mark, and then for our second stitch we need to do a half double crochet first. We yarn over here and then put our hook in the second stitch, and then yarn over. We should have 3 loops on our hook. We yarn over, go through the 3 loops at once, and then in the same stitch we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in the second stitch and yarn over here, and then just go through the loops directly, just like this. And then for our second stitch we do a single crochet, and then the next stitch is a half double crochet and a slip stitch. We yarn over and then put our hook in, yarn over, go through the 3 loops on our hook, and then in the same stitch we do a slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. Next stitch is a single crochet, and then next stitch is a half double crochet and a slip stitch. We just repeat this till the end. After finish the very last slip stitch, we need to do one more slip stitch in the mark place. We take out our mark, and then in the mark place we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here we do one chain and then we snip out. And then we just need to use a needle to weave this in and snip out this part. So for the same part, we need to do one more in brown color and one more in the white color. Now we are going to make this apple part. We grab our red yarn and do a magic ring first. For our first round is 6 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over here, and yarn over 1 second to make 1 chain. And then in this hole we put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. We can put a mark, so we can know where to do the slip stitch later to finish this round. And then we need to do 5 more single crochet in this round. Here we put this end to close the circle. And then we take out our mark. In the mark place we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in the mark place, and then yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. For next round is 6 single crochet increase. We do 1 chain, and in the mark place we put our hook in, and we can put this end on top of our hook to carry it. We yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. We put our mark in the very first single crochet stitch, and then in the same stitch we need to do 1 more single crochet. So single crochet increase means in each stitch we need to do 2 single crochet, and then we just repeat till the end. So after finishing the very last single crochet, we take our mark out. In the mark place we do a slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. Then we need to do a one chain first, but instead of in the slip stitch place, we jump to the second stitch for this round. We need to do a single crochet and then put our hook in the second stitch, yarn over, and yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. In the same stitch, we need to do one more half double crochet, we yarn over and then put our hook in the single crochet stitch, yarn over, and then go through the 3 loops on our hook. Jump to the next stitch, we do a half double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in, and yarn over, go through the 3 loops on our hook. The next stitch is also a half double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through the 3 loops. And then for the next stitch, we need to do 1 half double crochet first, we yarn over and then put our hook in, yarn over, and go through the 3 loops at once. Then in the same stitch, we need to do a single crochet, we put our hook in and yarn over here, yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. Then the next stitch is a slip stitch. Do a slip stitch, put our hook in and pull our hook directly. Then the next one is also a slip stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook. The next stitch is also a slip stitch. We put our hook in and then pull our hook directly. Then the next one is a single crochet first. We put our hook in, yarn over, and go through 2 loops on our hooks. And also in the same stitch, we need to do a half double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook in the same stitch, and yarn over, go through the 3 loops on our hook. Then jump to the next one is a half double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through the 3 loops at once. And yarn over for the next stitch is also a half double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through the 3 loops at once. And then for the next stitch is we need to do a half double crochet first, put our hook in, and yarn over, go through the 3 loops on our hook. And also in the same stitch, we need to do one more single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through the 2 loops. And then for our very last stitch is a slip stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. We also need to do one more slip stitch to finish this round. We put our hook in the very first stitch we made, and then yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain, and then cut the yarn. Now we are going to make this little top part. We put our hook in the middle of this apple slice, and then grab our brown yarn, press this end on the back, yarn over here, we do 3 chain, and in the second chain from our hook, this one, we put our hook in and do a slip stitch, yarn over here, and then go through the loops directly. And for the next one, it's the same. And we do 1 chain here, we can cut the yarn. We'll have something like this, and we can just simply tie those ends together. Or you can just use a hot glue to glue them in the back. It will look like this. And then for the little leaf part, we put our hook in the same place as the brown part, the same stitch. We yarn over here, press this end on the back, yarn over, do 2 chain, And then in the first chain here, we do a slip stitch, put our hook in, and then pull our hook directly. We do one chain, we cut the yarn. The same, we'll have something like this, and we can pull this part to tighten here, and then also for this end, we can just put it down the back and use a hot glue to glue them. So now I finish off the parts, and we just organize them like this, and then use a hot glue to glue them together. So this is all about today's video. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. So I will see you next week. Bye!